back to the channel. Now we are discussing F110 automation through batch jobs. Let's go to F110S. First of all, we need to create one variant in this S2. Here I am creating a variant for one of the company code. Give the proposal. This is the important to create the proposal, and then company code which I have created TRGO, and the payment method which I have selected for T. Next, payment method posting date you can give tomorrow. I have given, like, I have this vendor in this company code which is having open items, and just go due date, payment method, indicator, trace. Give the vendor same. If you want to, if you have the range, you can give the range here. Then after, create payment method, create list, RFF ID. This is a program to print, and which you are having, and here out of that take this. I have this variant, so I took the variant from here. You also, if you have your own, you can take as this. Just save the variant TRGO. If you need any dynamic selections, you can check from here. You can, for the next posting day, if you want to every day, if you want to check like next week, next month, something like that, you can check here. These are dynamic selection, you can check from here. So TRGO test 2. Here I have saved this. Then after we go to, you can see with this run date, before we go into execute the batch job, I will show you F110 and identification. With this identification, there is no F110 proposal, right? So you can see now I am going to execute the batch job. Station SM36 test TRGO RFF1. This is the program to execute the batch job for that. So here our variant is TRGO test 2. Check save. Then after, start condition, check. If you want to periodic job, you can put every day it will run. If you want to periodic values, so every week, month, you can check from the batch job. So I want to immediate one, so I'm just select the immediate start. Just say it is released. Go to SM37, see the batch status, batch job status. Test TRGO. This is our batch job. This is finished. Now go to F110. You can see the proposal automatically it is created. So next you want to run payment run, right? So check the proposal. You can see these are selected for payment documents, and these are not selected. You can see what is the error display here. No valid payment method. So these are old documents which I did not give any payment method. That's why this is not picked for the payment. So next we need to run the payment for this proposal. So what we need to do right now, This is the our variant, right, from F110. I'm giving here. We need to remove the proposal. Now we need to create another variant for this, for the payment run. We need to remove this payment proposal run, so the proposal will not execute again. That will show if we have this proposal run, that will get error like already exists. So remove this proposal and save this variant same as this without any changes. Test 2. Sorry, without prop. I'm giving proposal here. Oh, that's okay. You can give you whatever you like, the naming convention. So now again, normally in real time we need to give the gap between the payment proposal and payment. Why? Because end users will normally edit the proposal if they want. Okay, so we need to give the time. So I am doing, once again I'm executing batch job SM36 payment TRGO. Just give and same execute same program and execute here with that proposal. This is our new variant. Check here and save. Start condition immediate. So check and save. And now we need to go to SM37 to check. SM37 check payment TRGO, it is successful. So now this is open and it is working. You can see payment order is generated and it is completed. So thank you.